So before we head to our campsite, we gotta secure our dinner for tonight. For tonight's camp, we're gonna do Wingstop. That's right, we ain't cooking nothing. Here's a new piece of truck camping gear that I just picked up from my R50 Pathfinder. This is a Trekway SUV air mattress. Bought this thing on Amazon a couple of days ago for about $100. And this is what we're gonna be sleeping on going forward anytime we do any type of truck camping. So these flaps that you see here, these are inflated independently of the main mattress itself. And these were made like this specifically to account for the wheel arches on either side. And I tell you what, I was just laying on this thing and man, it feels like heaven. Let me show you. All right, guys. So I'm now laying on the air mattress, as you can see. And it feels really comfy, guys. I'm excited. Now, one thing I did want to mention, the mattress itself is about 71 inches long. And one of the things that I had to do, if you've noticed, is that I've removed the bottom of my rear seats. Traditionally, it would be right here, and that would take up about, I don't know, 5 or 6 inches of space. But just look, the mattress is butted right up against the center armrest here, and this is how much room we have. If you're interested in this air mattress, I'll be sure to leave a link in the description of the video. As a matter of fact, I get a lot of questions from you, the viewers of my channel, about various things that I use. If you are interested in any of that stuff, just check the description of the video. I put it all in there for you. Oh, I almost forgot to mention, it also comes with this nice storage bag. And you can fit the mattress in here, along with the inflation pump right there. So yeah, not bad for $100, guys. Not bad at all. You also get 2 patches, which is really cool, because you never know. Just saying. And then, my favorite, there's a sticker. So again, if you're interested in getting one for yourself, check the description for a link. Now back to the video. So I'm now at a different location to go pick up this chicken. Turns out that my wife actually ordered our Wingstop from Boulder Station Casino. So I'm now here, parked next to another R50. This one's kind of banged up. It's a silver one, and it's all stock. But yeah, let me go in here and try and find this chicken. She had found the right location, but when she actually went to go pick said location to order our chicken, she wasn't paying attention to the actual location or establishment where it was located. She just seen Boulder Highway and she just clicked on it. And I'm in Wingstop looking like a complete idiot, and they're looking for my order, and they're like, hey, you sure you ordered it for this location? I'm like, man, it better be. My wife ordered it. All right, guys, so we got our Wingstop. So we'll carry on now. And yeah, I have a huge smile on my face because I'm about to get into this Wingstop. It is kind of dark in here. I'm using my GoPro. So here's my wife. She's trying to hide from the camera, guys. She's here. But yeah, you guys are going to get to watch me eat for a minute here. Hopefully I don't make too much of a mess. Wow, all of this is mine? All this dip?
No, I have another ranch in there.
How do you tell them apart?
Well, the first one I picked up had an R on it. I think that's yours.
All right, guys, we're about to make a mess. We're about to make a big mess. Don't worry, I got lots of napkins just in case. But yeah, it's about to get real. Keep you guys to where you can actually see me. Yeah. Let's start on. There we go. Is that better? I hope that's better. Yeah, guys. So here we have some lemon pepper chicken and some buffalo. Although that's not what Wingstop calls it. They call it mild. I don't even know what that means. I'm gonna start with a lemon pepper. Ringlets up, drumsticks up. Yeah, I like the bone-in recipe. My wife's over here eating boneless. That's cool too, but I have to be in the mood for it. So yeah, I'll bring you guys back after we're done enjoying our chicken. And I think after this we're gonna find a movie on Netflix. Our bed's already made behind us. This is lazy camping, guys. My name is Chris, and welcome to the Camper Dan Files. Alright guys, so we're back. That Wingstop was the bomb. I'm gonna be getting into a Snickers here in a minute. Got my iPad. And I also have my favorite Modelo Chilada. The good stuff with the chili in it. What you know about that, huh? This drink is something that I've been turned on to by my friend Esteban. Shout out to Esteban, man. If you're watching, thank you again for the recommendation. This one I discovered one day while I was shopping in Walmart, and I turned Esteban onto this one. He turned me on to a couple of the other ones that you guys have seen me drink, like the mango chili, picante, and a couple of others. There's a strawberry one. There's a lime one. That one is my least favorite. I mainly like this flavor because it reminds me of drinking a Bloody Mary. I love it. So here in a minute, once my wife figures out what we're gonna watch, I'm gonna go ahead and put my iPad up here on the dash and get to streaming a movie. I doubt we're gonna have time to watch more than one. It's really late. It's already 10 o'clock, y'all. Yeah, per the usual, we're super late. But me and my wife, we work. I'm working from home again. So unfortunately, no more 410s for me. I'm working a straight 9 to 5 now. And I'm gonna be honest, I hate my schedule because it gets in the way of everything. We're now watching Mad Max.
Well, she's pale because I take her blood for blood pudding that I prepare for her.
And who are you?
Well, I'm the organic mechanic.
I will increase your food by 1/4, potatoes only. You'll get your delivery once every 10 days, but only if my war rigs return safely full of high-grade gasoline.
Yeah, guys. So, I'm just relaxing in the back of the rig. Laying down here. My wife's just over here off camera. It feels good to be out in the field again. Getting some camping done. It's been a while. The cold kept me kept me indoors, and I've just been super busy with work, so I'm trying to get back out here and do some camping. Testing out this new mattress. It's really comfortable. I feel like I'm in my bed at home. Yeah, I love it. If you guys are interested in this air mattress, I'll be sure to leave a link in the description to where you can find it. But I like it. Not a sponsorship. I paid for this with my own money. My wife agreed that it was time that we got back out and done some camping, so we carved some time out this weekend to come out and do some lazy camping, that is, because We didn't bring half the gear that I usually like to bring out. You guys know how I do. I don't know what time it is. Truth be told, we've been having so much fun watching this movie. It was a 2.5-hour movie. So the last time I looked at the clock, it was around midnight.
It's 1:09.
Oh, you heard the lady. 1:09 a.m. Yeah, I'm just chilling. My wife doesn't even take up that much room on the mattress. And she's over here. But like, she doesn't take up any room. I'm able to stretch out. And this thing is nice. You said because you're a leprechaun. Well, she might be one, guys. She is Irish. She's my leprechaun. I feel like all my luck comes from her. So yeah, I'm erring on the side of caution. So when it's time to go to bed, I have my sleeping bag. This is nothing fancy. This is actually a summertime sleeping bag, but it keeps me warm and comfortable. So I'll be sleeping in this. And then behind me here, this is my blanket, my green blanket that I'll be covering up with. Yes, we each have our own blankets. It was my wife's idea. I'm cool with it though, because I kind of like having my own. And then if it gets too cold, we can always like do the buddy system and put both blankets on top of each other, because we've done that before. For all intents and purposes, we have our own blankets. All right, guys, so I'm running out of space on my SD card. I was lazy. I haven't had a chance to clear this one. I have tons of videos. I just haven't had the ability and really the drive to want to put out a video lately. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night, guys. So yeah, guys, it was really nice sleeping on this air mattress. I absolutely love this thing. Oh man, I wish I could show you guys more, but we're gonna be packing up and getting out of here. I know this isn't a typical camping video that most of you have grown accustomed to seeing from me. This was just a lazy camp, minimal gear, and just have a good time. We don't have to always complicate things by bringing tons and tons of gear. It's nice to have, don't get me wrong, but do you really need it all, is what I'm saying, me included. And coming out this time with minimal gear and just having things set as opposed to getting to camp and having to set them up, this was a 10 out of 10. And I can't wait to do it again. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and end today's video here. Thanks again for stopping by the Camper Dan Files. Once again, my name is Chris. If you've enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a like. And while you're at it, don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, keep using your Pathfinder as a Pathfinder, on or off the pavement.